take a look at this question. It says in xy plane, the graph of the function f of s equals s squared plus 5s plus 4 has two s-intercepts. What is the distance between the s-intercepts? Now, the first thing I'll need to do is to put this, equate this one to what, 0. To get the two values of what, x, which is the two s-intercept, that means the point at which this function touches the x-axis. So from here, I look for two numbers that when I multiply, I'll get 4. When I add, I'll get what, 5. I'll use that to factorize this. The two numbers we can use is 1 and what, 4. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is what, 5. So I'll get x plus 1. Then x plus 4. So I have two numbers we can use to factorize that. But 1 times 4 is 4. The 1 plus 4 gives what, 5. We told you if you want to factorize, if the value here is what, 1, those two numbers you got, just put x in two brackets and write both what numbers. That becomes your answer. So from here, for x plus 1 equal to 0, that implies x will be minus 1. Then for x plus 4 equal to 0, for x plus 4 equal to 0, that implies x will be what? Minus what? 4. Then it says, what is the distance between what? The x-intercepts. The distance between the x-intercepts can be obtained by the difference between the two values. Minus 1 is greater than minus 4. So the distance we are looking for will be minus 1 minus 4. And that will be minus 1 plus 4. And that will be 3. That is the distance. Now that you've learned that, ensure you like, share, and follow for more tips.